Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to manage the files actually in your Samsung Galaxy A57. So how to actually master this file management navigation? At first you need to know the application called Samsung My Files, which is here in the Samsung folder. So as you can see, this is our central hub. It has both photos, videos, here audio and docs, documents, and of course here we've got installation files and downloads. Think of it as your phone's file explorer from Windows or from just your PC. Our Finder of course on MacBook. So as you can see, we can just tap on each section over here to get navigated to all our videos or all our installation files or documents or images or audio. So that should be it for it. As you can see here, if you scroll down, we can see the external storage menus like Storage Share, Google Drive and OneDrive. Here, although in the utilities we have, maybe not, however in the utilities we have our storage. We can get to this menu in two ways: search menu settings or just of course the file manager. But as you can see in the file manager, we can see the internal storage, the charts of it, like how many gigabytes does some file take or something like that. Here we've got recycle bin and use applications that we can delete, etc. So if we, for example, hold our finger on some file, any, we can tap move to move it to some other place, other folder in our phone. If we tap share, we can share it via quick share or to somebody on our phone. Copy, also copy to the same place or a different place. More, as you can see here, we're going to copy to clipboard, details, rename, add to favorites, open new window, open with or add to home screen, and of course delete. And what can I say else about our application is that here we can go to the settings and manage all the things apart from the default ones. So, for example, all mobile data usage, show hidden system files, show cloud files in the categories, edit home, and here we can edit our home view, select text and images. Here we can manage permissions, and actually here the most important thing, the key thing, is that we can search our files with many filters like time, type, or just some name. That's it. Hope it helps you, and goodbye.